Got our guy Revis. We got to tap in and see where he's at. All right. He's somewhere in the United States, from LA to New York. Where are you, Revis? Don't forget to honk the horn.
It's TBJ. We here, man. What's up? How you doing?
All right. What's going on, TBJ?
Hey, man, we good, man. We got some things, a lot of moving parts. Tall boy slipping over here because he was supposed to introduce somebody. But you know what? It's all good. We got you here, and we got somebody else here. But we got our word of the day, and we want to tap in and make sure everything is all right with you. So where are you watching, and where are you driving? You know, you a truck driver. You all over the United States. You got to tell us where you're from, man. Where you at? What's your area?
I just happened to be in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Uh-oh, cha-ching. Did you win some money?
No, I haven't won any money. Had a rough week, but it's all right now.
Oh, well, you know what they always say.
I'm so glad. Trouble don't last always.
Trouble don't last always, Revis. So you had a rough week. We hope that it gets better, all right? That's what we want. All right, so Las Vegas, you didn't win no money. You had a rough week. Anything positive?
Yeah, I'm here with the show, and I can actually see.
Okay, that's what's up. All right, well, we got a word of the day. And we're going to give you a definition. And after we give you the definition, we want you to break it down in truck driver terms. Can you do that for us?
All right.
All right, man. It's very easy today. You should know this one, okay? The word of the day is Jeopardy. All right? Jeopardy. And it means or defined as exposure to or imminence of death, loss, or injury. It is also synonymous with danger. In legal context, jeopardy refers specifically to the danger that an accused person is subject to when on trial for a criminal offense. Now, this is the way the sentence reads, Revis. Rather than risk placing passengers in jeopardy, the pilot waited on or for the storm to pass before taking off. Jeopardy, Revis. Break it down for us.
You know, Jeopardy is a word that we use all the time. This between me and you. If Tall Boy keeps forgetting to push the button and bring you in, he gonna be in jeopardy of me and you taking over this dang show, okay? But that's between me and you right now, okay? Jeopardy really means to be in danger of something. Sometimes you can be accused of something twice, and that's called double jeopardy. And Saturday morning, I woke up and couldn't see out of my left eye. And I guess it has something to do with the altitude and all that, but it was some kind of allergy that I have created some kind of way. And if I couldn't get that load delivered Saturday morning, it would have been a lot of jeopardy because one, we could have been in jeopardy of losing the contract with John Deere. I could have been in jeopardy of losing my job in my truck. And jeopardy has just happened to be one of those words that fits good for my situation this past week. But one good thing, I can see now, so I'm no longer in jeopardy.
Okay, I'm with it. I'm with it. So basically, if Tallboy don't hit the right button, he gonna lose his spot, and we gonna take over. You almost lost your job and lost a contract, a big one, because your eyes was messed up, so you couldn't see. So now that your eyes is back, you're good. That's what you're saying?
Hey, I'm good. I'm no longer in jeopardy.
All right, that's what's up. All right, well, you guys know how it goes. If you guys are watching on your phone, we would love for you to take advantage of this opportunity to let us know how did Revis do on the word of the day. Let us know on your phone if you're watching. How did Revis do on the word of the day? 1, nice way to put it. And then 2, this man has no clue what he's talking about. 3, this was too easy. No way he would have messed this up. Or 4, we call him Professor Revis for a reason. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let us know in the comments, how did Revis do on the word of the day? All right, Revis, anything else you want to share with us while we try to get the comments coming in on the screen?
Yeah, I would like people to invite people to the Lab Tech Show. I want them to, we don't want to be in jeopardy and not hitting that 500 in the next month or 2.
Okay. All right. I'm with it. We got to get to that 500. We know people need this information. Huh?
Yeah. Make sure you like and subscribe and invite.
Okay. Make sure they like and subscribe and like. Okay, I like it.
It's the Lab Tech Show. We're talking tech. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at the labtechshow.live.